For this, you might need a breadboard, an LED, a resistor, a push button, a 9-volt battery, or a con battery, which is 3.4 3 volts. And if you are using 5-watt battery, which is 9-watt battery, your resistor might be 330 ohms. If then if you are using this, your resistance might be 30 ohms, and it will work fine. So in this video, we will use 9-watt battery. So I will take this battery, and for this we need 330 ohm resistor. So after we put 330 ohm resistor, now let's consider. First, you need to understand the breadboard. These two lines go vertical like this. If you pass current through here, it will go from here to here, and this also here to here. And this is called the power rails, and you can use them. Next, this is the main parts. We were used to connect like this, and this goes like this. Then connect it up. Take the positive wire of the 9-watt battery and to the positive side of the breadboard. Negative, negative side. Now you need to take the resistor like this. Then there is a bridge here. That bridge is used to connect connect particles like buttons. Connect here to the other side. So you need to take the resistor and place it like here. Then take the button and put it like this. So if the anode is this, the resistor will lower the current and it will pass through the push button. And take the LED and connect its anode to the this side of the push button. Then connect here to the other side like this at the ground. Now I when I push the button, the LED should light up. So like this, like this, and you can use